Today, we will do the unboxing of our new Alienware monitor. We have a G5 gaming computer, which we're going to use this monitor with. Right now, this is the unboxing. It's a 25-inch, full high def, true 1 millisecond, 240 Hertz.
And here's the
model number, AW2521HFL. This was manufactured in September of 2020, made in China. We just got it today.
Alienware.
Okay. Anything else on
the box.
this side? It's got lighting on it.
Yeah, green.
Get ultimate speed for the fastest action. Native 240 Hertz refresh rate and 1 millisecond response time on an IPS panel. Provides sharp and clear gameplay. Iconic Alienware design with Alien FX lighting and one lighting zone. IPS panel technology delivers amazingly rich and consistent colors. 99% sRGB. I think that's it. It's got the connections down here. It's got a lot of
Connections.
USB and HDMI. It's got a data port.
There's a circled button.
Yep.
2 circled inputs.
Okay, so
Now to cut it open or to snap that thing open.
that clamps on the
There it
bottom.
is.
Take a look at this. Yep.
Do not.
So we have to cut here.
You have to cut.
It tells you to cut right there.
You can cut here and open here. And also,
There we go.
There it is.
now you need to open. Now you need this open.
You need to pull these out.
I'll try this one.
Ooh.
Okay. Give me that.
Full RG2.
We gotta get the other ones.
Oh, okay.
Hold on. Bring it around.
Here's the other one.
Get that one over there.
Ooh, you know how to open or just.
We are the kings. That's the way. Or the side.
Oh, there's another one over here. There we go, now it's coming. There's maybe one over here too.
Yep.
It's definitely one.
Good.
There you go. Yay.
Want to get one side, RJ?
Go, RG,
Lift
help
that side
Daddy, RG. There you go. Ta-ra.
Hold on. You get the side one.
Ta-ra. Ta-ra.
Yay! Yay, guys!
Okay, so what's next? This.
Ooh.
Okay, let's go through this first before we open anything else.
What's this?
That's
The wire?
Probably. Yeah.
Huh?
Ooh, what's that, RJ?
We don't know.
It's the wire.
Let's look at them one at a time.
Now this thing first.
Okay, so what do we got here? We got a USB. Maybe that's the data port.
Yeah, more wires.
This is HDMI. HDMI.
And more wires.
And this is USB to USB.
More wires.
And this looks like the power cord. So you got the power cord,
All these.
USB to USB. This is a data port. And then this is HDMI. And we got this plastic piece right here.
Whatever that
Ah,
is.
maybe in that.
Probably goes on the base.
Yeah.
Okay, let's
it
get
is.
these wires
Hold on.
off.
We also got this. Some decals. No, safety information. And
Oh,
some,
the other this.
yeah,
Oh, yeah.
safety information. Okay,
Okay, next.
so we'll show these again later.
Okay, next.
Okay.
Next, take that off.
Ooh, what's this? Oh, these are the stands. Oh, I got some instructions.
There's the
More instructions.
instructions, yep. All picture. Picture instructions.
Yep.
Picture instructions.
The stand is already together.
Ooh, look at that sun.
It's white.
Silver.
This
I
will
like the color.
this will attach to the monitor. Right here. Wait, let's take this out.
Wait, this.
Oh, one more thing.
It's heavy. I can't pick it up.
That's actually coming out.
Like heavy though.
It is.
It's inside the thing.
What is that?
It twists. I don't know.
Looks like a brush.
You gotta be careful. There's the monitor in the box.
Ooh, the box. That's,
Oh, this is the
What?
this attaches to the stand.
Yep.
Ooh,
Oh,
wow.
nice. Look at that.
Alienware.
Yep.
There's a light on here that lights up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait. Let's get this all over here together. Get this piece, we get this piece.
Yep.
Get off
Good, now comes the monitor.
the monitor.
Light.
Oh,
Okay, move the box.
here's the box of nothing.
Nothing else left.
I got
Put it behind the
into
couch.
the jungle.
Here's the monitor.
Just ripping it open.
Yep. Yeah, pull that
It's
off.
white.
No. Yeah, that's it.
Silver. There he is.
Oh,
Look at
there
that.
it is, the alien.
Yep,
Here's
alien.
the alien. The alien that's gonna take over the world. They're done. What's that?
Oh, here's all your ports. There's where the power cord goes. And these are like some USB and
Plug them all in.
also the data port. And then you got
Plug buttons.
HDMI in there. Okay, I didn't see these. Some more data ports. Looks like USB. Looks like a headset. Headphone. There you go. 1920 by 1080 Dell.com. AW2521HFL. It's actually, they call it a 25-inch monitor, but it's actually,
24.10, 24.
that's what I said, yeah.
There you go. There is a monitor.
Looks like a
gaming
screen.
Monitor.
This looks like a TV when you open it.
TV.
Oh, there it is, the Alienware.
That's the monitor.
There he is.
Okay. So the first thing, get the picture instructions. Number 1,
What?
unpack everything. Number 2, okay, let's move this out of the way.
They grab all the stuff.
There you go.
Fits right in.
There he is.
But now you have to tighten it by hand.
Okay.
So it's screwed down here. What do you think? It's supposed to be a light in the back.
Yes, nice. I like.
This is the light in the back.
Yep. So, it's getting there. See, this is what I'm turning right here.
Turn, turn, turn.
Hand tight. Hopefully that's enough.
More tight.
As tight as I can get it. Try it again. Yeah, got a little bit more. Very little.
There you go.
So there it is. Looks nice.
It is nice.
You can see the picture. So it's going to be like this. This is going to be the front. I like this because it's solid.
Yeah.
Very sturdy. This thing here. I'm looking to see which is top, which is bottom. Here's the bottom.
Yeah, that's the part.
So it's got to go on like this.
Yep.
So we'll put it right here. And then this.
Done it,
Goes here somewhere.
undone it. Right here.
Yep. What's it gonna? What we got? Screws.
This has metal right there. Goodbye, I'll never see you ever.
Snap in.
Oh, yep.
Snaps right in.
Here it is. So
Get
cute,
that.
huh?
Get this out of the way.
Here's the back. Look.
Ta-da. Ta-da.
Well, that was easy to assemble. A little confusing, but at first, but
Wow, look at that.
it's very heavy. It's got a lot of weight to it. Very simple. Very
It
easy to put together. Can't be any simpler. I like it when you don't have to use a screwdriver.
Yep.
Let's go.
There you
Gaming
go.
monitor.
This is the Alienware. Hook up to a G5 gaming series. Alright, so this moves. Look.
Yep.
Yeah. The side.
And it's
also
moved side to side. That's real nice.
Yeah, I
Side
saw
to
that.
side.
I also saw
Up
that
and down.
because it has this.
Does it have a height thing too? Yep.
Oh!
Goes down.
That's nice.
It goes up.
I didn't know it had that.
So pretty much every angle.
Yeah.
Somebody try to look behind you. You can set it up where you can both see it.
Yeah. Nice.
Goes all the way up to the top. Swivel, in case RJ wants to look. And then up and down. Get
I
the better.
want to
Yeah.
look.
Nice that RJ. I like.
Yeah, I'm impressed. The unboxing was a success. It was very easy.
Yeah.
Yep.
And it's very nice. Nice looking monitor. We'll hook it up to our G5 desktop and hopefully it looks good.
Yep.
Yay.
Let's see.
Yeah, we have one more thing we forgot to mention. This installs on the back. All your wires will come out through here. So we'll install it later though, when we get all the wires up. You can see how it will snap right in. Forgot to mention, we got the NVIDIA G-Sync, AMD FreeSync. We have an NVIDIA card, so we wanted the G-Sync, but if you ever wanted to change your NVIDIA card, graphics card to a FreeSync, an AMD, then you would have FreeSync
Premium.
Premium.
And that's it. We
Yep.
go upstairs now.
Yep.
Okay, now until part 2.
There's the front and back, one picture. So the unboxing, this is what you get.
Yep. There
all
is.
So far I like it.
Yep. I like to.
I liked it when you did that thing when you
Wow,
did up,
so
down,
nice.
turn.
Yep.
The gaming monitor. RG. We have gaming
Okay,
monitor.
let's turn it around again.
Oh,
There is. Look at that.
We're gonna do a switcheroo here.
Okay.
There's the back.
Yep.
RJ, please, I knew, do not step on it. Can you see it?
There you go.
Now we got the real front.
Here's the front and the back.
Very
There you
simple.
go. Okay, that's it, guys.
Okay, we already showed you that it swivels
yeah.
and that it goes down
There's something more crazy.
and side to side.
Yep.
Something
Nice.
Also
more.
does this.
Yeah, wow, look at
Dun,
that.
dun, dun, dun.
I don't know what you'd use that for.
Wait, is it like an iPad? You turn it and
Yeah,
then
like
it turns
that.
into an.
I'm thinking like business.
Yep,
You
man.
can turn it if you had an Excel spreadsheet
Yeah,
that you wanted to have that way because you wanted to see the longer version of it.
yep.
Okay, here we are.
Now I'm gonna plug everything else.
Back to the Alienware unboxing complete. We already have our G5 desktop gaming computer.
Yeah.
So the first thing we got to do is hook up the keyboard and the mouse. Don't need that yet. Move this over. Okay, so the mouse,
It's a mouse to go.
USB.
Why is it going in here?
That's how it works. Okay, and then the keyboard. Keyboard's in. Okay. You have other ones too. You have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it's power cord for that. Okay, next. Those we're not using. So now we'll turn this around. First thing we gotta do is get this off.
It's gonna be hard. Or easy.
Okay, I can put it down there. Okay, so we have the G5 desktop. We got the mouse and the keyboard plugged in. Goes right up in here. I'm gonna have to tilt it. I can't see it. Yep, now it's in. Okay, so we got. Okay, so looks like we made a mistake. I thought this was a data port, but it's a different kind of connector for whatever. This is the data port. And it goes in here. Okay, we have the data port cable in here now. Okay, we had to start over again, feed all these wires through. This is the power cord. Didn't feel like it snapped in, but I guess it did. Okay, and then we got the data port cable right here. I'll tuck this wire in here. And then this one is going to go out through here. We're going to tuck it in here. They really made it tight, the design. Okay, good. Let's go down. Okay, where does the side go? In the data port right here. Fits right in from the monitor to the desktop. Now we're trying to see if we need to plug in a USB besides, or just go with this.
Okay, here it is.
Okay, we're putting this other USB in here. Might need it, might not.
Yeah.
But it's going to be in here.
Okay, here you go.
All right, very good. You're the master at plugging cables in. I can't seem to get them.
3 wire.
So now where's the other end go over here? Looks like straight USB.
Yeah.
Simple as that. Well, if this don't work, time for the helpline. Take 20.
There you go. So quick that. So quick, Anna. Look. There you go.
Okay,
Done.
all the wires are there.
And there is all the three.
Let's start them. Oh, let's
Like
get ready.
in already.
Alienware monitor. It's got a light on the back, on the post.
There is.
Very strange, because we're up against the wall,
It's nice,
so
look.
when we turn it around, we're not going to see the light. But it looks cool. Alienware.
Let's
go.
turn them on. Oh, they're already on.
There you go. There is deal.
DP input.
See?
And it's using the DP. You turn that.
Just a moment.
Look out.
Just a moment.
Start.
We got to set up all the passwords. That's what's next. And maybe some setup on here too. I'm not sure. So that's it. When we get it all the passwords in, we'll show you a game. Yeah, waiting for it to come up. You had to enter all kinds of information to get to this page.
Almost there.
There.
Almost there.
Oh!
It's so big.
Just a regular computer. There it is.
There you go.
Okay.
We have no games, do we?
Okay. Okay.
Find
now
a game.
Yeah, download
I have to
games.
go in the Microsoft store.
Microsoft.
Okay, here we go. This is the final setup. The desktop doesn't have an internal speaker, so we got external speakers. And the Alienware monitor, that's what she looks like. And we're going to bring up a racing game called Asphalt.
9 Legends.
Asphalt 9 Legends. There she is. Looks pretty clean. It's got the NVIDIA 2060.
Look at that. Wow. Nice, RJ. Woo! Boom!
Right to the front.
You're number one, RJ?
First place.
Yes, RJ is number one. Play.
First place. I'm a master basketballer.
There he is.
Nothing on.
Yay.
Okay, this is it. We're going to power down. All done for now.